Orchids, they are delicate, beautiful, and a little picky about where they put down roots. Unlike most plants, their roots aren't meant to sit in soil. They are aerial, absorbing moisture from the air. That's why they need a growing mix that lets them breathe while offering just the right balance of moisture. Too much water and the roots become waterlogged. Too little and they dry out. A specially crafted blend that mirrors their natural habitat ensures they get the right amount of water and nutrients, just like in the wild. With a mix of pine bark and vermiculite, Bark Unlimited Organics Orchid Mix provides the perfect balance, allowing water to drain freely while still supporting healthy root growth. No fuss, no guesswork, just a high-quality, ready-to-use organic mix, all in one bag. Ideal for potting, repotting, or refreshing your orchids home. For orchids and epiphytes that impress, trust Bark Unlimited Organics Orchid Mix.